offer I made to the opposition. You asked me a direct question whether there will be a handshake because of this situation. I want to tell you there will be no handshake. But there will be an engagement in Parliament on the issues that have been raised. Those that Parliament can resolve, they will be resolved. And when I say there will be no handshake, I know that there is a context, like we were being told here, please have a handshake. Unfortunately for us in Kenya, a handshake has a different connotation. And that is the one that I am talking about. The handshake that brings the opposition and government into some conundrum and a mongrel and an outfit that is undemocratic, unconstitutional, and illegal. We are a democracy. And in a democracy, it is underpinned by a system of checks and balances, where you have a government and an opposition. The history we have of the handshake is where there was a fusion of government and the opposition, and the results were very disastrous for Kenya. There wasn't any accountability. The whole system went rogue, and the people of Kenya do not want a situation where democracy is undermined. Democracy is, the system of checks and balances is undermined. Kenyans want a democracy where the system of checks and balances works. I am a great believer myself in a system where there are robust checks and balances, because that's the only way you can hold a government or an executive to account. And holding an executive or a government to account works for everybody. It works for the citizens, it works for the government because they are kept on their toes, and it works for the opposition as well, because then they become part of success of a country. So I hope I have answered your question. Thank you.